Our last project is a nice way to be able to use up the designer series paper. If you have strips, if you have multiple designer series paper that you've been wanting to use, this is a way that you are going to love putting a card together. So just a standard size card. This is what your bits and pieces look like. You have your card front, and you're going to be adding 3 strips of paper. So you've got 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of all 3, so I'm going to flip them over so that I know what side I want the dimensionals to go on. Now I have to remember where I put my dimensionals. One sec. There we go. So we have 1 set of dimensionals for the top and the bottom. You're going to remove the backings. And I would recommend putting the outside pieces on before you put the center piece on. So you're going to line it up so that it's even on all the 3 sides. And do the same over here. And that way you can always adjust it so that it's even between the 2 strips. If you start with the middle, it's a little hard to know if you're exactly in the middle, so then it's harder to get that even look. Okay, next we're going to add in our decor. So you have a little ticket stub that I've cut out from the designer series paper. So you're going to add that on. This is going to go on here. And then you have another piece that's cut from the two-tone cardstock. Now this is the only time I'm using the Boardwalk Fun stamps. And again, if you don't have these, that's totally fine. Just use something else. So I'm adding a little bit of detail. So this is with the Bubble Bath ink pad. So I'm adding those little stars in. But any stamp that you have that you could add detail to it, that is going to work. And then we're using the happy birthday. It's just a little bit bigger happy birthday stamp. And once again, use what you have. Okay. So now we're going to add this on with our dimensionals. And that is going to go parallel to the bottom. Now we're going to bring in our puffy stickers, and you're going to use our little arrow sticker, and that's going to go pointing towards the happy birthday. And then you have this star sticker that can go here in the corner. You have an orange and the big yellow one, and you have a pink one. Just like that. Now you're going to bring in your card front and you're going to glue that down. And that is your final project. I hope you've enjoyed making these cards in the Snack, Stick, and Stamp class. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out. I'm happy to help. Okay, have fun crafting.